I want to welcome you to the biggest celebration ever of our American values. And I want to thank all of you for taking the time to come here this afternoon.
It's Madman, and we are still here at the NRA convention. I'm here with Nate and Nate of Nate Squared, and they're going to talk about their product line for you.
All right. Guys, we'll start you off with the original series. What we've got here is where we started. We use an elastic to hold the handgun. We have a fixed clip. And what you have is just a suede on the back. That suede allows the skin to breathe. It's not going to feel hot against you. And the natural friction of this material when you wear it is going to take a lot of the weight of the weapon off the waistband. We've got an oil-tan leather on the facing. And if you pinch on that, you'll see it's got a little cushion to it. And what that is we put a neoprene between the leathers to give you padding from the sharp edges and corners, but also provide a vapor barrier, so if you sweat, you don't have any of that creeping through to your firearm.
That's awesome.
Now, from the original, this is a friction only. We go to our tuckable, so you do have a tuckable option in that same original series holster, so you can tuck your shirt in here. And then our other series, we're going to pass it over to Nate Johnson here.
All right, just like Nate Beard just talked about, the backing setup with all of our designs are exactly the same. Whether you're talking about the original tuckable, or this is our professional series. You still have the suede leather on the back, oil-tan leather on the front, neoprene in between. But what we've done a little different here is we use polycarbonate. Now, polycarbonate has 30% higher tensile strength than Kydex does. It's the same material they use like for the canopy of an F-22 Raptor fighter jet, so it's extremely durable. Obviously our polycarbonate is just a slight bit thinner than what they use on the fighter jet. But what we do is we pull this polycarbonate down inside the trigger guard area there, so when you're wearing it, your body's putting pressure up against the backing, pushing the firearm up against the polycarbonate, and we're holding the front of the trigger guard right there. So you have a true positive retention inside the waistband holster. And then to draw the firearm, if you'll focus on this area right here, all you do is give it a slight clockwise turn, and you see the front of the trigger guard drop below that retention bump, and it releases the firearm. So you go from having that level of retention right there to just a slight turn to release the firearm. So no matter what the situation is, doesn't matter whether you're riding a bike or if you're dealing with somebody that's being belligerent, you need to take them to the ground and calm them down or wait on law enforcement. You know that firearm's going to stay in place until you need to access it. Now, we manufacture all of our holsters in Lexington, North Carolina. Every holster that we make, we stand behind with a lifetime warranty because we feel like that right there deserves it. We appreciate your business, guys. Thanks for watching.